We are at University Professional Center on Speedway Boulevard in Tucson, Arizona, where they have this very vintage Dover elevator from 1974. There goes security. And we're gonna go film the elevator. It's a Dover. It is right here. It is a Dover with Dover traditional fixtures. The old style traditional fixtures. See, these push in. The bumper was unfortunately replaced, but look at this tiny cab. This thing is awesome. Got the alarm. Alright, we'll go up to 2 and we'll listen to the motor. Let's go on to 1. Door closed when you push the button. This thing runs really well. Installed in 1974. This is a tiny cab. Capacity is only 1,500 pounds. The certificate used to be here on this wall, but the cab has been redone at some point. Let's go back up to 2. It's got the bumper's been replaced with an infrared eye. We'll go up to 2. And the door closed button, door closed when you push the button. No indicator, but it's a Dover. It's a Dover. Door open button works. And the door closes when you push the button. Again, door open. Instant door close. Very nice. Looks like the lights have also been replaced, but the elevator itself is still completely original, which is awesome. I'm glad they did not modernize this. This is a true beauty. And we will look at the shaft as this. Pull out my flashlight on my phone, and you can see up the shaft where they have Dover blue. Here's your interlock. It's all Dover door equipment, and you can actually see up the shaft. Very cool. I do not want to drop my phone down the shaft though, so I'm being very careful. Anyways, here it goes. Look at this call button though. I really like the older traditional. Here it goes, and that's it.